The first thing you have to do for your essay is to develop your claim, or thesis it's also called. It's your answer to the question, how does Miller address the theme of evil and how it should be confronted? So that yellow sheet that's in our classroom shows how to develop a claim or draw a conclusion. And we practice this at the beginning of the year. The first thing you do is you make an observation, and then you use an active verb, such as the ones listed there. Possibilities include symbolizes, portrays, creates, results in, proves. And then following that, you have the idea or concept that the book is about. In this case, it's what Miller says about evil and how it should be confronted. So now we're going to turn to the board, and we're going to look at what I have done to create a claim. So there you see that I have the what on the left, the active verb in the middle, and then instead of saying idea concept, I put in what Miller is saying about evil. So above that red squiggle is kind of the cookie cutters, the little different components of your claim. And so under what, I've put down Miller's description of the hysteria in Salem. And then I have put down demonstrates as my active verb. And then here's the meat of my claim. What Miller is saying about evil, how fear can be used to manipulate people into carrying out evil. So my entire claim reads, Miller's descriptions of the hysteria in Salem demonstrates how fear can be used to manipulate people into carrying out evil. So that is what a claim should look like. It should have the active verb in the middle, what Miller is saying about evil on the right side, and then the what beforehand. What I did is I started just by answering the question, what Miller is saying about evil. I looked at my chart and saw the many ways how fear was used to create the evil in this book, and I developed this part of my claim first, what Miller is saying about evil. And then I came over here and I thought, okay, so how can I summarize what showed me that what Miller was saying about evil? And I put down a general statement. It was Miller's description of the hysteria in Salem that caused me to think about fear. And then I just found an active verb that fit in the middle. So again, that's how you develop a claim. So after you've developed a claim, you need to make sure and find at least 3 pieces of textual evidence that you can use to support that claim in your essay.